Hello everyone and welcome to a really short review. Link is listed in the video description below, so if you would like to support my channel, feel free to purchase this super nice case listed in the video description. Make also sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Do you know this bag? This bag came with the triple charger for my DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's not really ideal because it protects your drone a little bit, but it's not a hard case. So if you travel a lot and you want to make sure that your drone is safe, make sure you get this one here. I purchased this one for about 50 to 60 bucks. As I said, the link is listed below, and let's open it up. As you can see, the drone and the remote control fits just perfectly in here. We do have some space for a cable. We do have space for the triple charger. We do have space for the remote control, which is this one here, which features also now a front display, which is super nice. And the drone itself is well protected in here, and you do have this extra compartment down here, for instance, to stow the propellers, to stow a cable, or for instance, a memory card. So if you would like to protect your drone and the equipment associated with that drone, this case might be just perfect for you. So we do have this triple charger back in here, and I figured out that I do have even some more space, for instance, for some extra batteries, because in general, there could be one in the drone. Then we do have space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries, and as I said, cable, propeller, or a micro SD card. So full points for this super nice case, which can be closed and opened in a fast way like this. You have this handle up here, which allows you to carry this drone on flights or on your job or vacation. You can open it up really quick. Link is listed in the video description. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. See you very soon und tschüss.